Hey guys, it's JacobB again from the Helmet Center. You can also find us online at hcpowersports.com. And today we're looking at a 2013 Suzuki Gladius 650. If you don't know too much about these bikes, it's basically a SV 650. Just a little more new and improved version. I dig it. Very nice looking, all black. Can't go wrong with that. I just love how it goes from matte to the gloss, like the Gixxer 750 we got. This thing, guys, I am not kidding when I say this. It has only 39 miles on it. 39. So yes, everything is original. Everything is stock. The tires are original. But again, good condition. They're not dry rotting. They're not. They don't have any sun damage on them. Very pretty bike. You can always find more details and stay updated with this bike at our website, hcpowersports.com. We do have a location here in Glendale, Arizona as well. You may come down and check it out in person. Just an overall nice, clean, naked style bike from Suzuki. Not a nick, scratch, nothing on her. And she's all over here by herself on this side of the store, showing off. We'll go ahead and fire her up. For you guys that didn't believe me, right there, 39 miles. I like the way she sounds with the stock exhaust. So right now we got her on the website. She's posted up there for $54.88. And if you're wondering why it says 1 mile there, because she did have 1 mile when we first got her, but we put about 38 miles on her since. Still very low. And again, guys, check out our website, hcpowersports.com. You may always call us at 623-444-4789. Thanks.